In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sellfy to upload posters and expand your creative business. Whether you aim to offer physical posters through print on demand or digital downloads, Sellfy makes the process straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through each step clearly so that by the end, you'll feel confident in managing your poster sales. To start, we'll explore the recommended method: selling physical posters via Sellfy's print-on-demand service. One of the great aspects of using print-on-demand is that Sellfy takes care of the printing, fulfillment, and shipping, allowing you to focus on other essential aspects of your business, such as marketing and customer engagement. First, log in to your Sellfy account. From the dashboard, the journey begins by navigating to the Products section, where you'll add a new product. Once you click on Add New Product, choose Print on Demand as your product type. Now, let's select the type of poster. Dive into the Home and Living category and decide which kind of poster you want to sell. Sellfy offers options ranging from standard posters to enhanced matte paper framed posters. Once you decide on the type that best suits your needs or aesthetic, you're ready to upload your unique design. The Sellfy product editor is where your creativity comes alive. Upload your high-resolution poster file here. Typically, these should be in JPEG or PNG format. As a pro tip and crucial detail, ensure that your design file meets or exceeds resolution requirements. 150 dpi is generally the minimum, with 300 dpi preferred for sharp, professional quality. Now, with your file uploaded, it's time to customize. Use the editor to position and resize your design on screen, ensuring it fits neatly within the template. Depending on the product, you might have options for background colors, various sizes, or even frame colors. Before finalizing, check out the mock-ups. Viewing mock-ups ensures that you're happy with how the finalized product will look when it's in your customer's hands. Setting a price for your masterpiece involves a couple of straightforward steps. Sellfy takes transparency seriously and will display the base cost, which covers production and fulfillment. This allows you to set a retail price with ease, knowing your potential profit margin, the difference between your set price and Sellfy's base cost. So go ahead and craft an appealing product title and write a description that captures the essence of your design. Everything looks good? Great! Hit Save Product and your poster will be listed in your store. You've now successfully set up a physical poster for sale with Sellfy's print-on-demand service, ready to reach your customers without you needing to worry about the logistical side of things. You're all set to expand your reach, so dive in and let your artwork fly into the hands of eager customers around the world.